pretty badass, man.
Is it
How'd
good?
it feel?
Oh, good. Happy I didn't hit the cones. Because the cones represent a cameraman. You never want to hit a cameraman.
That's what we call in stunt driving a career-ending incident.
Aaron finished his tire in less than 10 minutes.
Let's do this. Safety first.
We've got a real cameraman here today.
I don't want to hit you. We're at a driving clinic, and our teacher is Rick Seaman.
Pressure's on.
He's teaching me how to do a bunch of stunt driving.
It's good driving instincts. You know, some people are born with it, some people aren't. I can tell you right now, Aaron was born with it.
Drifting and 180s. Just making me look like a much better driver than I actually am.
Backwards driving.